I cooked 16 ounces of pasta here. I'm using shells. You can use whatever pasta you want for this recipe. Just cook it al dente as per the instructions in the package. I also kept a cup of the cooking liquid. I'm going to melt some butter in this pan, say a tablespoon. And I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it so the butter doesn't burn. I'm gonna add half an onion, which I finely chopped. We're gonna let this cook for 5-6 minutes until it's translucent and softened and starting to brown. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves, which I minced. We're gonna cook that for a minute or two until we can smell the garlic. I'm going to add 8 ounces of sliced baby portobello mushrooms. You can use any mushroom you want. So 8 ounces is like 227 grams, but it's a pasta, so it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna add a little more butter, and we're gonna let these cook for a good 8 to 10 minutes until they are nice and brown. I am gonna add some thyme to this. These are sprigs that I have that dried already, so I'm doing about 2 sprigs. So, you know, maybe half a teaspoon. As you can see, these are nice and brown. I'm gonna salt and pepper them. I'm gonna add 2 cans of tuna. They were 5 ounces. Once you drain them, they're 4 ounces in water, okay? I'm gonna zest some lemon in here. Let's say about a teaspoon, okay? That's gonna give it nice flavor. I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. This is a big lemon, guys, so if yours is little, you might wanna do the whole thing. I'm gonna now add the pasta. I'm gonna add half a cup of that liquid that I reserved. And about a quarter cup of heavy cream. The reason we keep that liquid from the pasta and use it, guys, is because it's so starchy. So it makes our sauce really creamy. I'm gonna put grated cheese in here. You can do plain Parmesan. I'm gonna do about half a cup. More pepper. All right, now we mix. And we let this cook for a few minutes until the sauce kind of thickens. This is a great way to use canned tuna and to add protein to your pasta. Finally, guys, I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of parsley. I want you to taste it for salt and adjust if necessary, okay? All right, let's taste this. Oh, yummy. This is excellent, guys. Really, really nice. Oh, that lemon brings it up so much. The zest makes it a little vibrant, and the creaminess of the, you know, of the mushrooms and the tuna and everything else we put in there. This is delicious. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.